Now, AIMCAT 320 question number 16 and 17 is what I'm going to discuss now. Now, it talks about the table which provides the details of the performance of the major banks in 2005. Straightforward question. The name of the banks are given, the data for the sales, the total assets, net profit and the cash profit is being given. The first question also is again very straightforward. It says, which of the banks listed in the table has the second highest ratio of total assets to sales? You have to find out which bank has the second highest. Now, unlike the question which is who was the second person to reach moon, it's not very difficult question. In these type of question, what we do is find out the usual suspects. And when I say usual suspect means I'm not going to do the calculation for each one of them. I'm going to eliminate few of the possibilities. One thing to note here is which of the bank listed in the table. If suppose the language was which of the banks among the following option has the second highest ratio, the question would have been more easier, because you have to just check the four listed options in terms of their ratio. But the language here is which of the bank listed in the table, so I have to consider all of them. But as I said, I need not check, I can eliminate the possibilities. What we do here is simple. We observe that these are almost 6 digit, more than this obviously. All of them, this is 6 digit or 5 digit, and these are maximum 5 digit or 4 digit. So the first round of elimination is I take the first 2 digit of this and the first digit of this, or maybe first 2 digit, whatever I can take, and roughly I can find out. For example, 46 by 38 is 1 point something, so I can eliminate this. This is 153 by 12. By rough calculation, I can eliminate this. The usual suspect which comes to me are this, this, and this. You can eliminate the possibilities of the other. 72 divided by 5, 12. 95 divided by 6, it's more than 16, roughly, I'm saying. 81 divided by 3, in fact, is a 27, it looks the highest. 27 roughly. So I at least know my highest. Roughly, you can do the calculation by taking the first 3 digits and dividing them roughly. Now, I said these are my 4 usual suspects. I will not check the others. Roughly, if I calculate 110, and even if I take this as 8, this 110, whatever, divided by 8, it comes to 110 divided by 8, roughly comes to 14 point something. Sorry, 13 point something. Now, I took this as 8 and it's coming 13 point something. So if I take a digit more than this, this value will be less than 13. It will become less than 13. Similarly, if I take 97 and even if I take this as 7, just the value 7, so 97 divided by 7, I'm taking least value of this, I'm taking the maximum least value of this, 7 will come to 7, 1 is 7, 27, 7, 13 point something. So if I take 97 only and I'm taking 7, I'm not taking 7521, I'm getting 13 point something. So if I take this further value in the denominator, again this will be also less than 30. Now, I said this is the highest. My suspect is this is the second highest. Check. 95 divided by, I'm taking only 6, or I'll take 7 because it's more nearer to 7. It's 7,000, so I'll just take 7. The value comes to 7 1 is 7, 24, 13 point something. Again 13 point something, but if I reduce the value now, this will be going more than 30. This value will go more than 30. I don't have to find out the exact value, I have to just compare. This of course was already the highest value, which came to 27 point something, and comparing these three, I am getting this as the second highest value, which is Bank of India.